Okay, let's look at the next one. Again, the first line, straightforward, creation date and time, and then followed by the series or the identifier of the Notam, Golf 0878/21, which is the year. Notam N, again, it's a newly published Notam, and then the Q line, OBBB, which is the Bahrain FIR, in which or within which the Notam will be valid, and then the 5-letter code. Always the first letter is Q, Quebec, and then we have Mike, Romeo, Lima, Charlie. So Mike stands for miscellaneous, R restriction, and the second part, which is the third and fourth letters, are limitation changes. So we're gonna see what that means in a second. And then the traffic is for both IFR and VFR. The purpose, NBO, and stands for the Notam is selected for the immediate attention of flight crew members. And B is for operational significance, selected for a PIB entry. So the Notam has to be included within the pre-flight file. And the O is, of course, Notam concerning flight operations, which is the case. Again, guys, I need to emphasize that these codes and letters and abbreviation are published in the documents, ICAO documents 8126, Appendix B, or you will find them in document 8400. Both links, you will find them down the description box below. Okay, let's continue. And then we have A, which stands for Aerodrome. Okay, so this Notam, or the scope of the Notam, applies on the ground only, so it's Aerodrome. And then we have the lower and the upper limits. In case there is no lower and upper limits published, you will always find 000/999. That means the vertical restrictions or limits are not published. And then we have / the coordinates again. So the coordinates of the pinpoint coordinates of the Notam. Followed by OTHH, which is the ICAO code of Hamad International Airport. B, that means from the date and time from which this Notam will be effective. So 2021 July 13th from 12:30 UTC all the way to 2021 September 14th at 18:30 UTC. This is the validity or the schedule. However, this Notam will only be active Monday, Tuesday, Saturday between 12:30 and 18:30 UTC. Any dates and any timings outside of what is specified in line D, the runway will be active or open. And last but not least, line Echo. It states what is this Notam all about. It is about the runway 16 left and 34 right closure. So 16 left, 34 right closed due to maintenance. Okay, now for the bonus, I promise you guys. Okay, we have this website over here, the link of which you will find it down in the description below. So you copy your Notam, you come here, you paste it in this box, and then you click submit. Now what you see here is the validity. Here in bold and in red letters, you'll find it's effective now or will be effective within so and so. So it gives you the validity and for how long it will stay in effect. And then in these three boxes on the left, you will find the breakdown of the Notam. You see here the FIR, the subject, the status, and then the traffic to which the NOTAM is intended, and then the purpose, and the next table we find the scope. Is it aerodrome? Is it en-route? Is it affects the navigation, stuff like that. And then the vertical limits, the position. Normally it is in terms of lat long coordinates, and then followed by the radius. 1 nautical mile, 5 nautical mile, 10 nautical miles. It depends of the significance of the area. And then last but not least, you have the schedule. The NOTAM will be in effect on this date at this hour, and until this date and this hour. This website is very useful. Use it myself from time to time to brush up on stuff. If somehow I run into like a code or something that I'm not familiar with, there's no shame in going back and freshen up on your knowledge. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And perhaps if I missed anything or I mistakenly said anything wrong, please make sure also to mention it in the comments below so that we can learn from each other. Until then, thank you very much and see ya.